Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Guys, it's Taco Tuesday. I'm in New York. It's hot as hell, okay? When I tell you my daughter calls me every 15 minutes, she calls me every 15 minutes. When I'm not in Connecticut and I'm in New York, she calls me every 15 minutes. And we stay on the phone for hours. Say hello. I can't hear you, mommy.
Oh, I said hi guys. I miss you guys. I can't wait till she's back. She already know. I was sending you guys kisses.
So, are you staying here or can I hang up and talk to you later?
I don't know. Whatever you want, Mom.
Listen, don't forget to tap, okay? And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys. And that notification bell, guys. It's hot. Listen, I just took a shower. I washed my hair. And while I was untangling my hair, I was sweating. So, listen, I took her to the shower with me. I took her back to the room. I got dressed. I said everything. Oh my God. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the tacos. I got everything but the tacos. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Marina, talk to them.
That's hilarious. That is hilarious. That is just like my mother to forget the damn tacos. To forget something. Every time. We always forget something on the table. I'm like, damn, I swear we already sit down and I'm like, we forgot something. The one of us always has to get up in the video.
Okay, I got it.
I hope everyone's feeling good. Let us know how you're doing in the comments below.
Look, good vibes only.
There we go.
Oh, shit. And I almost dropped everything, Marina. I got to let you go because I got to focus.
All right. Bye, everybody. Bye, Ma. I love you. Have a good video. Call me right after.
Okay, bye.
Bye, everybody.
Guys, I almost dropped everything. I left the tacos. Nothing fell though. Nothing fell. I left the tacos in the microwave. Okay? I left them in the microwave. These are the soft tacos, guys. Okay? They're nice and soft. Oh, oh my God, they smell so good. They're so good. Guys, jalapenos, guys, with carrots. Oh my God, so good. Anyway, guys, look, I miss Big Bertha. Big Bertha, where you at? Big Bertha. and I found this morning. This morning I found this. Look, my triple action Poland Spring triple action triple berry Poland Spring with a twist of triple berry. Okay, guys, you know that's my favorite. Okay, very rare I find it. Okay, I got some spicy jalapeno sauce, guys, habanero sauce, guys, and I got another kind. This is from a restaurant that my mother and sister go to normally, you know, when they want to eat tacos. And they bought this and they saved it for me because they knew that I was going to come back and make my own tacos, you know. So, I have my triple action. There's only a little bit in there, but I got some. And my jalapenos. Okay, guys, let's have some fun. Look, I think I shook it too much. Oh, God, no. We're not spilling anything today. Oh, my God, we spilled it anyway. Look at that. We spilled it anyway. Guys, it's hot, and when it's cold, we complain about that it's too... I'm getting the tissue, guys. That it's too, That is too cold. That is too cold. That is too cold, guys. But then summertime comes and we complain that it's too hot. Okay, right now, guys, I am burning up. Burning up. Oh my God. I'm sweating. Oh my God. Let me put this tissue here. All right, guys, and let's have some fun, guys. Come on, let's have some fun. With Big Bertha. Oh my God, guys, I'm so sorry I'm all over the place today, guys. But I was so hot. Like, after I cooked the ground beef, guys, and I chopped everything up and I set everything up, I was so hot. I said I need to take a shower before I do this video because I'm too hot. I'm too hot, guys. Cheers. Happy Tuesday. How was your Memorial Day yesterday, guys? Tell me in the comments below what you did for Memorial Day. Okay, I didn't do nothing because I don't celebrate traditional, you know, these tradition things, even though, you know, prayers and love and positive vibe out to our troops, okay, to our veterans, okay, to anybody that's been in or fought in war, okay. My deepest feelings go to them, but I don't have to feel like that or pray like that only on Memorial Day. You know what I'm saying to you? That's just my belief. Like, Mother's Day can be any day. Memorial Day can be any day, okay? Oh, I was thirsty too. Oh my God. Woo. Guys, let's get this party started, guys. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Look at this. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God. We have so many different types of cheeses here, guys. Well, no, not so many. We have the Mexican blend. We have the jalapeno cheese right here. Okay. It's a Mexican cheese, guys, but this one, they sell it plain and they sell it with chunks of jalapeno, and I usually get it with the jalapeno. Okay, I got red onions. Okay, I have tomatoes. All right, I have avocado, guys. Oh my God. I have lettuce. Just put this down, guys, because I want to get some of this jalapeno in here. Plus, I'm trying to see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the carrots out of in there because I don't want to put this dirty spoon in there. But man, I wanted to get the carrots out of there. Anyway, it's okay. The carrots are also in the jalapeno pickle juice, so they're spicy too. Come on, guys, this is our first bite, guys. It's 9 minutes into the video and now we're taking the bite. Come on, look at all that cheese. Come on, let's take this bite, guys. Take a piece, take a bite out of the jalapeno, and then take a bite out of the taco. Oh. Oh. And you know I got my cilantro. And I like my cilantro whole, guys. You know that. Oh my God. Yes. Windows open. I got the fan on, guys. Oh. It feels like beach time. Like going to the beach. I would love to go to the beach today. Oh yeah. And I would go to the beach by myself too. I want to try this sauce from this restaurant. Woo. Okay, let's get this. Come on, guys. I find this more fun, guys. Assembling them, you know, as we talk, as we eat. I think it's more fun than building them. And then, you know, I mean, to each his own. Everyone's different, but I think this is fun. Oh, did I put too much? No. 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 Oh my God. Yes. Did I tell you guys I have peppers here? I have red onions. Oh my God. And these are the ingredients that I love on tacos, guys. I'm going to get cilantro this time because I didn't get the cilantro before. Okay. I just love the way cilantro tastes. And room for more. And room for more. And room for more. Oh my God. Whoa. I like to pick on these things while I'm eating. I don't know why. Oh my God. Avocado. Oh, I feel so good right now, guys. Oh my God. That breeze that just came in through that window. Oh my God. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. Oh my God, it's summertime, guys, for real. Oh. Summer. And I could go to the beach if I wanted to. You know? My kids are grown. Oh, this is so good. Stop it, D. Oh. Oh, I gotta get this cheese. This cheese right here, guys. Oh my God. Some peppers. Look how pretty, though. Look how pretty. Let's make this look pretty real quick. Let me get another jalapeno out the jar. Let's show you. No, don't fall. Look at that. Take that bite. I'm having fun. Well, that juice bursted right in my mouth. Oh my God. Where are you, avocado? I need you. I don't cut them in thin slices. The avocado. For those avocado lovers out there, you know what I'm talking about. Take that bite. Oh my God, no. Stop dropping stuff, D. Oh my God. Wow. So good, guys. Oh my God. Oh, the meat is so flavorful, guys. Oh my God. I just love it. This cheese is so good, guys. I wish I would have brought the container with me. I would have showed you. I need another jalapeno right now. Right now. Right now. Right now, baby. Okay. More peppers, another pepper. I'm gonna break it, guys. Forget about it. Let's get the sauce here. Oh. And room for more. Hey, and room for more. And room for more. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh my God. So good. No talking. No talking. No talking. Where's the... Oh. I'm getting full. I'm getting full and I only ate 3. That's not like me. That is not like me at all. Anyway, let's have another one. Oh, so good, Lord. Tomatoes, onions, lettuce, cilantro, jalapeno, jalapeno. I'm done. I'm done. You hear me? I'm done. This heat got me exhausted, guys. All right, and I haven't even done anything. I haven't gone nowhere. This was easy. Tacos, making tacos and cooking ground beef is very simple, guys. No science behind it. I mean, there's a little science behind it, but easy, simple science. Oh my God. Come on, guys. This is our last bite. My favorite. It's my favorite, guys. It's my favorite. Oh my God. The itis. Oh, I needed it. Guys, you already know. I love you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, guys. Please believe that if you watched me all the way to the end, kudos, 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 kudos to you. Because you could have been doing something else, but you took your time and you watched the video all the way to the end. And room for more, and room for more, and room for more. Hot Wing Wednesday tomorrow, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.